Want to add some sensuality to your bachata dancing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to master the perfect body roll. So when you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with a little exercise that will help you understand what you need to do with certain parts of your body while you are doing the body roll. Let's start with our feet, hip width apart, toes are pointing slightly to the side, and knees are relaxed. And from here, we're going to open our chest and then round our back. So when the chest is open, we are pushing our shoulder blades together and then we round our back. Open and close. Open and close. And we're trying to isolate our chest from the rest of our body as much as possible. Hips are not moving along with our chest like this. Okay, we're trying to keep our hips in the same position and move only our chest. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. And now we're going to do the same thing with our hips. So first we're going to send our hips forward and then to the back. Forward and to the back. And again, we're trying to isolate our hips from the rest of our body. Forward and to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. And now we're going to put both of these moves together. So when we open our chest, our hips are going to the back. And when we round our back, our hips are going forward. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open and close. And now we are ready to move on to the body roll. We're going to start with our feet together. Make sure your heels are together and your toes slightly apart. And we're going to turn to the side. I'm going to mirror you. So on one, we're going to step with our right forward, shift our body weight on this leg, and open our chest. And this is a chest isolation that we are doing as part of our little exercise. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1. Now on 2, we're going to tilt our body slightly to the back so that our chest is now pointing diagonally upwards. Our body weight remains on the front leg, or most of it, but since we tilted our body slightly to the back, some of our body weight is now on the back leg as well, but most of it is still on the front leg. Now on 3, we're going to shift our body weight on our back leg, round our back, and send our hips forward. 3. And what I usually tell my students here is to imagine that someone has just punched them in the stomach. Okay, so from here, imagine that someone has just punched you in your stomach and you go to the back like this. This is 3, and this is also the body move that we did as part of our little exercise where we put together both of the moves, so chest isolation as well as hip isolation. And on 4, we're going to roll our hips to the back. And this is the hip isolation. So we ended up in this position. Most of our body weight is now on the back leg. Our upper body is straight, so it's not leaning to the side or forward. We try to keep it straight. And our left toes are pointing forward and right toes to the side. Why is the feet position important here? If our toes were pointing forward, it would look like this. And as you can see, it looks a little bit awkward. It's pretty straining on our knee and thigh while we are rolling our hips to the back. And if you are wearing heels, you may find that you don't have a good stability here. But once you turn your toes slightly to the side, all of a sudden it feels a lot more comfortable here. It's not straining on the knee or thigh anymore, and you have pretty good stability here as well. All right, so let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last time 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to connect these 4 points into one fluid movement, which looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So let's try it together. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, we can just shift our body weight on our front leg again, open our chest, and do it all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, I am resting my hands on my thighs, so you can place them on your thighs or your hips and just do the body roll like that. So let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the last thing is the head position. You can look either in the direction of the body roll or forward, and also you can choose to step to the side or diagonally forward or directly forward. You can also switch your legs, so you can step either with your right or your left. All right, so now let's try it with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you very much for dancing with me. If you want to see more content like this, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, you can watch this video and learn a Bachata Shine dance routine, or you can check out my playlist over here where you can find all of my Bachata lady styling tutorials.